Hello children, welcome to 4th standard English. Today topic writing skill. Writing skill, letter writing.
What is a letter? Letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another person, generally via post. What is letter? It's a written message conveyed from one person to another person. Okay. Letter writing. There are two types of letter writing. One is formal letters, another one is informal letters. Formal letters are written to business or professional purpose with specific object in mind. It uses simple language that can be easy to read and interpret. What is informal letter? Informal letter is written for personal communication. Written for personal communication. It uses casual or emotional tone. Informal letters are written to friends and relatives like this. In this video, we are going to see how to write formal letter. Okay, formal letters are written to school principals, class teacher, newspaper editor, etc. Okay, this is a professional purpose. Okay, in this video we learn how to write formal letter. Okay, format of formal letter. First one, center detail. Centers detail. Next, date. Second one, date. Third one, receiver's detail. Third one, receiver's detail. Fourth one, salutation. Fourth one, salutation. Fifth one, subject. Sixth one, body. Seventh one, complimentary clause. Then last one, name and sign. Name and sign. In the center's detail, we give sending person name and then address, then date, particular date. Return date we write there. Then receiver's detail. Okay, you write to whom you mention there. Then salutation, dear sir, madam, like this. Then subject. Subject, what the letters is about. Okay, what the letter is about, you mention in the subject column. Then next one, body. Body of the letter, actual message. Okay, body of the letter, what you want to convey, you should write there. Then complimentary clause. We, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, like this. Complimentary clause. Then name and sign should write at the last. Okay children, now I show one letter, formal leave letter. Okay, look at this. From. Here center address in the from column. Then to receiver. Receiver detail. Then sir, madam, salutation. Then the subject, body of the letter, as I am suffering from fever, I am unable to come to school, so I request you to grant me leave for one day. Okay, then mention the date. Complimentary clause, they use yours sincerely, name and then sign. Children, did you understand the format of formal letter? Okay children, this is your time. Okay, I give one letter. Try to write a letter to your class teacher asking leave for attending marriage function. Okay children, you will do. Next, look at this passage. I am going to read. Listen carefully. A little red hen had some wheat. A little red hen had some wheat seeds. Will you help me sow this seed? Asked the hen. No, replied the selfish dog. No, replied the selfish dog. Then the hen did it by herself. The seeds grew into a field of wheat. Will you help me ripe the wheat? Asked the hen. No, replied the sleepy cat. No, replied the sleepy cat. She did it by herself. Will you help me grind the wheat? Asked the hen. No, replied the noisy duck. Noisy duck. She did it by herself. Will you help me make a bread? Asked the hen. No, replied the lazy cow. She made the bread by herself. Will you all help me eat this bread? Asked the hen. Yes, replied everyone. No, said the hen. Children, find the qualities of animals from the passage. Cat, sleepy cat. Dog, selfish dog. Cow, lazy cow. Duck, noisy duck. Very good children.
Thank you children. We will meet in the next video.